Oh, hello, Miss Daniels.
Have you ever seen so many gulls? What do you suppose it is?
Well, there must be a storm at sea that can drive them inland, you know. I was hoping you'd be a little late. You see, he hasn't arrived yet.
Oh, but you said 3 o'clock.
Oh, I know. I've been calling all morning. Oh, Miss Daniel, you have no idea. They are so difficult to get. Really, they are. We have to get them from India when they're just baby chicks. And then we have...
Well, this one won't be a chick, will he?
Well, certainly not. Oh, no, certainly not. This will be a full-grown minor bird, full-grown.
And he'll talk?
Oh, yes, of course he'll... Well, no, you'll have to teach him to talk. I guess maybe I'd better phone. They said 3 o'clock. Maybe it's the traffic. I'll call. Would you mind waiting?
Well, maybe you'd better deliver him. Let me give you my address.
Oh, well, all right. But I'm sure they're on the way. Would you mind if I called?
No, all right.
I wonder if you could help me.
What?
I said, I wonder if you could help me.
Yes, what is it you're looking for, sir?
Lovebirds.
Lovebirds, sir?
Yes, I understand there are different varieties. Is that true?
Oh, yes, there are.
Well, these are for my sister for her birthday, you see, and as she's only going to be 11, I wouldn't want a pair of birds that were too demonstrative.
I understand completely.
At the same time, I wouldn't want them to be too aloof, either.
No, of course not.
Do you happen to have a pair of birds that are this friendly?
Oh, I think so. Now then, let me see.
Aren't those lovebirds?
No, those are redbirds.
Oh, I thought they were strawberry finches.
Oh, yes, we call them that, too. Here we are, lovebirds.
Those are canaries. Doesn't this make you feel awful?
Doesn't what make you...
Having all these poor little innocent creatures caged up like this?
Well, we can't just let them fly around the shop, you know.
No, I suppose not. Is there an ornithological reason for keeping them in separate cages?
Well, certainly. It's to protect the species.
Yes, I suppose that's important, especially during the molting season.
It's a particularly dangerous time.
Are they molting now?
Some of them are.
How can you tell?
Well, they get a sort of hangdog expression.
Yes, I see. Well, what about the lovebirds?
Are you sure you wouldn't like to see a canary instead? We have some very nice canaries this week.
All right. All right, may I see it, please? There we are.
Oh, there.
Wonderful.
Back in your gilded cage, Melanie Daniels.
What did you say?
I was merely drawing a parallel, Miss Daniels.
How did you know my name?
A little birdie told me. Good day, Miss Daniels. Madam?
Hey, wait a minute. I don't know you.
Ah, but I know you.
How?
We met in court.
We never met in court or any place
That's
else.
true. I'll rephrase it. I saw you in court.
When?
Don't you remember one of your practical jokes that resulted in the smashing of a plate glass window?
I didn't break that window.
Yes, but your little prank did. Judge should have put you behind bars.
What are you, a policeman?
I merely believe in the law, Miss Daniels. I'm not too keen on practical jokers.
Well, what do you call your lovebird story, if not...
Oh, I really wanted the lovebird.
Well, you knew I didn't work here. You deliberately...
Right. I recognized you when I came in. I just thought you might like to know what it's like to be on the other end of a gag. What do you think of that?
I think you're a louse.
I am. Good day, Miss Daniels. Madam.
And I'm glad you didn't get your lovebirds.
Oh, I'll find something else. See you in court.
Who was that man?
Well, I've no idea.